Hi, my name is Diane McSorley. I'm with ACS Learning, and I'm here to share a quick tip. These tips are under 2 minutes in length and are designed to help you work smarter, not harder. Let's get started. Today's tip is bookmark bar separators. These can really help us organize our bookmarks. I don't know about you, but I know I've got a lot of them. So this can be really helpful so that we can easily, organize them. So we can add vertical or horizontal separators. This does work. It works in Edge. It works in Chrome. Try it in your browser. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go out to a browser. We're going to navigate to the website that's on my screen, separator.mayastudios.com. And then it's as easy as dragging to place the separator. Let's give it a shot. So I'm in my browser and I've got another tab open here that shows that website, separator.mayastudios.com. And look at this, I'm a vertical separator. Drag me to your bookmarks toolbar. So if I drag the word me, this is a vertical, I can take it up and position it between the bookmarks and it pops right in, right? Creating organized groups. I can also right click on it and delete it should I want to remove it. Now for a horizontal separator, click here. So let's click here and now up at the top. All right, I'm a horizontal separator. Drag me. So I'm going to drag the word me over up to one of my folders and into the folder. Look at this. Let go, click back on it, and I've got a horizontal separator. And again, same thing. I can right click and delete if I don't want it. That's pretty helpful. I hope you found this tip helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in the next tip. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.